friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review Indian snack which is available in the market right now, which is a very common snack available, which is the yellow banana chips. And today we are going to review yellow banana chips by Chheda. Chheda is a popular brand of namkeens available in the market today, and this is their product, which is a yellow banana chip. Today we are going to review Chheda's yellow banana chips. So guys, let's start off with the packaging. It comes packaged in a plastic pouch here, and right on top we have the Chheda's branding. Here we have the Chheda's logo right here. It's a pure vegetarian symbol here, and the name of the product, which is yellow banana chips, is written here. And then a description is there: fresh banana, finely sliced, fried and seasoned with salt. And then the illustration of the yellow banana chips is here. Then it says Indian traditional snacks. The net weight is 170 grams or 6 ounces. 170 grams or 6 ounces. It's a product of India. It's a product made in India. Coming on the back side of the pack, here we have Chheda's branding again right on top. Then Chheda's range of products carry a full rush of authentic taste and freshness. They are the most freshly packed, crispy, crunchy and tasty snacks. After selecting precisely from the best lot of raw materials, the snacks are processed in a hygienic condition and seasoned with the great spices and condiments to give you the most exotic taste and anytime and anywhere. Now, what are the ingredients? The ingredients of this banana chips is banana, 79% is banana, there's palm oil used for frying, and then there's salt. Coming to the net weight, like I told you, it is 170 grams or 6 ounces, and the MRP of this product is rupees 75. Coming to the shelf life of the product, the shelf life of the product is 6 months from manufacturing date. So it has 6 months shelf life. And right on the right hand side we have the nutrition facts mentioned here. So there are nutrition facts mentioned there. There's 0 trans fat in it, there's 0% trans fat. 9 grams of saturated fats are there. It has vitamin C, iron as well. So they have given nutritional facts for USA, for UK and for Australia as well here in their respective measures. So guys, this is the Chheda. Let's go ahead and unpack this, the yellow banana chips on Chheda's. Okay, I just want to tear it open from here. Here we go. We just tear it open. There are quite a bit of banana chips inside, so let's take a chip and see how does it look. Okay guys, this is the Chheda's banana chip. It's nice, yellow and crispy. It's not very oily as well. You can see there's not much oil on my hand as well, so it's not very oily. And there's a good amount of salt on it. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Chheda's yellow banana chips. Very crispy, very flavoursome, not very salty, and it has a nice crisp to it, very flavourful. Amazing, you can't stop having just one. These are like the freshest banana chips I've tasted right now, which come in a packet from Chheda's, and it's an amazing product here. So I'll definitely rate the Chheda's banana chips a 5 on 5 for its amazing taste and the amazing quantity it provides at rupees 75. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.